Now, there are two sorts of prayer. Remember this. One is egocentric prayer. Oh Lord, I have a beautiful girl, I seduced her. No, it's okay, but I don't have car. If I don't have car, she will drop me. Go away. Okay, you can borrow the car from your friend and pretend that is yours. You accept it. Oh Lord, I don't have house. Go to your cousin brother, he has 2 houses. Tell him that, tell my girlfriend I have 2 houses. How long this relationship is going to last? Lord fulfills all your desires, Lord of life. But one day, have you heard a joke? It's a practical joke. Truth plays joke with a liar. Remember these words. If somebody constantly lies to himself or somebody whom he loves, truth plays joke one day. There was a man who became blind. He was a great poet in India. During Akbar's period, Akbar the Great. So he recited a poem and Akbar was very happy. And Akbar said, oh, had you had eyes, you'd have been one of the greatest poets. He said, what to do, sir? I am blind by birth. When there was nobody, he would quietly see and again close the eyes. So Akbar said, no harm. Let him allow to stay in my harem. That's what he wanted. You know, he wanted to see what goes on in the harem. They're most beautiful girls. What do they do there? How do they behave with their great lover, Akbar? So he was given a room there. One day, after many days, one of the concubines said, we suspect that this man sees. He should be examined. Akbar said, he's a blind man. Every day he will stumble once or twice, knowingly, so that nobody suspects. Finally, he was brought to the court. They tested, but he practiced it so nicely, he played his role. Lord of Truth said, it's not good. This man has escaped this court test. What happened? He was walking, pretending, because he was pretending that he was blind. Suddenly, 2 spikes got into his eyes. He became blind. Then it is called truth plays joke with a liar. Because he was pretending to be blind, he became blind. He practiced to be blind, he became blind. If you practice to be truth, you will be truth. Try your best, even if you fail.